We're installing posts today, and typically, how many of you out there have had posts, kind of rot off at ground level or below, and one good push and over they go? Well, here's the way I do things here. Maybe you'll find that interesting. Now, I have replaced a 4x4 post with a 6x6, but the idea here is I want to basically encapsulate the entire post in cement or concrete, and I'll show you a couple tricks. So I have dug the hole down. We're down 3 feet, and I've lifted my post a little high. So what I want to do is to get a bed of cement in below, and then what we're going to do is to drop the post on top of that bed and fill around it. And of course, that's the idea, that we will encase the concrete around the post, and that'll keep any water or anything like that from rotting it. So I'll get mixing, and we'll go from there. So I've mixed cement. I probably put 3 or 4 at least inches down in the bottom of the hole, dropped our post on top, and that will be our base. And now we'll just proceed to fill up around the post, of course keeping a level as we go. It'll be hard to push cement around at the end, but let's have a go. Right, we're 3 bags in. We've got that all ready to go. So now we just let that set and fill the dirt in around it, right? Wrong. Nope. Here's where the issue happens. See, maybe I put in that much cement and let it go, and then eventually water's going to come in. It's going to settle on top of that cement and perhaps just hold there, and over time that's going to basically help to rot that post around that edge. So again, we're not done yet. Let's mix up a little more cement, and we'll take it from there. You can see that now that I've mixed our extra and put it around our post, see, I've built it a little higher than ground level, and I'm just going to trowel this in. And what that's going to do, of course, is to kind of shed the water off and away from our post. So we'll take a look at that in a second. And here's our finished product. You see, we've kind of coned it around, so you can see that there's, we're going to get the rain dripping down there, but it is certainly not going to collect around the post and sit there until things rot. But the other question you'll probably have is, well, what if I don't want to see that cement? I am going to cover some of that, but if you want to keep that, then do the same thing and just keep it a little bit, below ground, but make sure that the water that's getting down below the ground is going to hit that cement and drain away as well. So you can cover it with your dirt, but do make sure that it's not going to just sit there and pocket and give you trouble. Okay, so my next step will be, after this all sets up, is we're going to put the soil around there, and that'll be it done. Okay, so I hope that helps you a little bit, and you guys take care out there. If you have any questions, send them in the comments below. Take it easy.